How can I link my Xbox account to my EA account?
Hello, fellow gamers. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of linking your Xbox account to your EA account. This is useful for when you want to enjoy your favorite EA games on Xbox with all your progress and achievements. It's a relatively straightforward process, and we're here to guide you step by step. Remember, this method applies to any Xbox One or Xbox Series X console.
Do you have an EA account?
Before we get started, make sure you have an EA account. If you've played any EA game in the past, you probably already have one. Games like Battlefield, Apex Legends, FIFA, and Madden all require an EA account. If you don't have one, simply visit the EA website and follow the prompts to create a new account.
Find the Link Accounts option on your Xbox console.
Next, power on your Xbox console and sign in with your Xbox account. Here's what you need to do. Open the game you want to play. Remember, it has to be an EA game. There will be an option to sign into an EA account from the game's main menu. Select it. A new screen will appear, showing an option to link accounts. Choose this option.
Link your EA account to your Xbox account.
After selecting Link Accounts, you'll be prompted to enter your EA account details. Here's how. Input your EA account email and password. Be careful when entering these details to ensure they are correct. If your details are accurate, your EA account should successfully link with your Xbox account.
Confirm the linking process.
Finally, you'll need to verify that the process worked correctly. Try launching an EA game. If everything was successful, your Xbox account should be linked to your EA account. Now, you can enjoy all your EA games across your devices without losing any progress or achievements. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Xbox account to your EA account. We hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, keeping your accounts linked ensures that all your progress, unlocks, and achievements are stored safely, no matter what platform you're playing on. Now, it's time to jump back into the game and enjoy the ultimate gaming experience.